Well, this is the Project 500. I've done various videos of this beast as it's coming along. This is kind of a lash up. It's kind of how it's going to look. There's no wheel bearings in it. There's no headstock bearings in it. The engine is hollow. It's all cleaned up, ready to be rebuilt. I've got all the components over there on the bench. Actually, in amazing shape inside. Oil tank on the way. I fitted a filter in the base, the supply filter for the engine. As you can see down here, look. Actually, no, this is the return filter. It's on the return line. This is a basic. Actually, you know, it's a water separator from an old Chevy Suburban, but I can use an oil filter in there. There's also going to be a gauze strainer in the oil tank, which I'm making up. Coils are mounted there. They clear the carburetors. This is the thing with specials. You have to make sure everything clears everything. Chain's a little snug on this fatty rear wheel, but I think we'll get away with it. Mudguard is just lashed together for now, just to see how it looks. The front end, is, as I said, was Kawasaki Ninja 250 with Honda CB550 triple trees. Front wheel is a Z400, I think. No idea where the front rotor comes from. But I'm going to use a Yamaha XS1100 disc caliper for that rotor, because it's the rear one. That'd be perfect for this bike, I think. Not too grabby, not too heavy for it. Engine's looking really sweet. Tank's mounted on there. So I had to weld on a little bracket at the back on the inside without puncturing the tank, which was scary. The tank hasn't been used for decades, so it didn't have any gas in it. A little support there. That's welded onto the frame. Very simple. Lock stop. It's the steering head lock stop. Little Bates headlight. Not sure if I'm going to use that. And my brother made this amazing speedo face. This is an old Honda CB550 speedometer that has got a new face. These bars are all bent, it's weird. And you can see there, there's a few little ladies in the shed. Frank, no hope at 90. Yeah, we'll see. So basically that's it. So the next phase, I've pretty much welded all the brackets onto it. So the next phase is going to be rebuilding the motor next, and whole new innards for it. Then I'm going to take everything apart, put all the bearings in the wheels and the headstock. I'm going to sand down the frame and the tank and everything basically and paint it. The wheels I'm not sure about yet. It's a big job to relace them, so I might just clean them up as best I can. I did a rear brake mount here, and the rear brake is actually off. Also an XS1100, strange enough, and this is it here, and that fits beautifully in that little housing on here, and it comes out about here somewhere, the foot pedal part, and I've got a rod that goes from there to the foot brake. Everything seems to work. Front's going to be discs, as you can see. Exhaust pipes, haven't figured those out yet. I might make up some patterns and get some stainless ones made. Short, turn out, slash cut, loud, obnoxious, and fancy looking. Oh, I forgot the rear license plate. It's going to pop out just here. It's a little Maltese cross tail light, very cheesy, but it should look the dog's whatnots. Okay, thanks for watching.